Hi, Mariam.
Hello.
Thank you for the time, and you guys have a busy schedule. So tell
Yes.
me, Mariam, how has it been so far? Is this your first trip to India?
Yes, it's my first time in India and I love it, It's full of warm energy. I love rich culture. I love people there. They're so kind, warm, and welcoming. And they made every moment here unforgettable.
Okay. Mariam, I'd love to know about you. How you started, where did you grow up? Where are you from in Ukraine?
I live in the capital of Ukraine, Kiev,
Okay.
beautiful city, and I was born there.
Okay.
I was born in a large family. I'm one of 6 children.
Wow.
Yes, and even though I'm only 20 years old, I already had a chance to try different jobs. I worked as a waitress, shop assistant, and also tried to open my own clothes brand. But for the past 3 years, I guess, I've been working as a model in Kiev. Yes, also I'm a student. I'm learning finance and animal volunteer. Last year, manager of Miss Ukraine wrote me and invited me to the casting. And firstly, I said no, but my mother said me just try it. She believed in me, and that's why I'm here because of my parents.
Nice. So you were modeling already when they
Yes.
approached you?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
I've been working as model for 3 years now.
Okay. So is that a lot of in Ukraine or elsewhere?
Mostly it's in Ukraine, but sometimes I go abroad and I have some work there.
Nice. So is there a lot of ramp work? Or,
Yes,
yeah?
yes. I work almost every day.
Nice,
Yeah.
nice. So the credit goes to your mother.
Yes.
She convinced you to go for
Yes.
this, right?
Yeah.
Tell me, Mariam, what would you wish to do in life? I mean, of course, right now this is where you are. Your focus, your energy is focused here.
Yes.
You're hoping, I'm sure, to win this, and all the best for that.
Okay.
How, other than that, other than the looks, what is Mariam interested in? What does she like to do in life?
I really love sports.
Okay.
It's been since my childhood. I started skiing when I was 4 years, and I cannot imagine my life without that. I love dancing, skiing, boxing, running, and
Wow.
it's something that gives me energy, strength, and power. So that's what I really like. Also, I love animals. I grew up with a lot of. Our home was full of rescued pets. When I told
Rescued
mom,
what?
rescued pets.
Oh, pets. Yeah,
Yes.
right, right.
And my mother never said no when I brought home another stray. Instead, she let me love them, care for them, and teach from them. That's why now I'm animal volunteer. I help animal shelters in Ukraine. Yes, that's it.
Amazing. So you've got a big family, I guess.
Yes.
So you've got the pets are also extended family, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So among all the sports, what's your favorite? I mean, I can't
A lot of them.
imagine you as a boxer, but
Yes, I tried it maybe 3 months ago. I just started it, but I was dancing since I was 4 years, and also skiing. And in winter, it's my favorite hobby: skiing and snowboarding. By the way, I do both.
okay,
Yes, but actually, just I love running a lot. In the morning, you feel free.
right,
You clean your mind, you clean your body, and I love it.
amazing. So you're quite a fitness person,
Yeah.
obviously, right?
Yes.
It's a lot of things: skiing, boxing, running. Good. Are you
Dancing.
dancing as a what?
Yes.
What dance?
I was dancing ballroom dance
Oh.
since I was 4, but now I started to do more modern dance,
Right.
on heels, more feminine, something like that.
Right, right. Mariam, tell me about your chances here. Do you think you have a strong chance at winning Miss World? How is it going?
It's going surreal, and I think every girl can become Miss World. Of course, we're full of strong, beautiful, inspiring women there.
And let's say you win. Where do you think? What's your goal in this field? And
To inspire young women, of course.
nice.
I want to make every girl to believe in herself, and when you stay true to yourself, that's when you really shine.
Right.
So that's what.
Amazing. Other than that, do you have? Do you see yourself doing something other than the field of entertainment?
I want to try myself in music.
Music,
Yeah.
yeah. See, that's what
I
I was
was in
going.
the talent show a few days ago, and I was shocked how beautiful and talented we have girls.
Right.
And they inspired me to try something new. I'd like to try maybe piano or guitar. By the way, I tried it, and I want to do it when I go back home.
So when you go back, you would
Yeah.
like to get better at music.
Yes. I really want to try piano.
Nice, nice. Mariam, thank you so much.
Thank you.
And I hope you are able to do all that you want to do.
Thank you so
All
much.
the best in life. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Take care.
Thank you.